books came in, guys. More books. Just the start of it. Got about 300 more books coming in. Alright guys, so we got a little snow here, and probably, I don't know, about an inch or so, and not even an inch, just a dusting. But we don't have to push any accounts. We've got one that's zero tolerance, so I'm bringing in Ashley and Bob, show them how to use the salt spreader on the 2015 GMC Denali, and that way, so the team is trained, you guys, so that they know how to salt when I'm gone. So they're coming in. It's a Sunday right now. A few businesses is going to be open tomorrow, and there's one that's always zero tolerance, you guys, and we want to make sure they get cleaned up. And so yeah, let the glow plug work a little bit. We've been out pushing snow one time here in December, and we got hit by 7 or 8 inches of snow, and that was not fun. It was a refresher for us since last year, so now this year is different. Ashley, she's been doing it for the last 2 years, and so we have to get retrained again. Like tonight, we're gonna go out salt. It's not gonna take long. So what are we gonna do, boss?
We're gonna go salt.
You make all the decisions. So if anything falls down, it's on her.
No, we both did. We drove together.
Okay. So what I'll have you guys do is just Bob take off that tarp and stuff. Yeah, just unhook the tarp. Supposed to rain tonight too.
Is it?
Yeah, don't put a full scoop, put maybe just, I don't know, 3/4 or so.
3/4? Right.
Yeah, and we'll have to run that down because it was packed in here. Or when you guys go plow and stuff, load it up before you go plow.
Oh, okay.
One scoop.
Okay.
Yep, one scoop. But make sure to put that cover back on when you're plowing.
Yeah, otherwise
It's gonna freeze because the snow hits it. Have him come over here. So
he probably has to park that back over there, doesn't he?
Yeah. Tough for animals in there.
Oh, don't say that.
It's all frozen. You guys might as well salt the whole parking lot. Should be good, yep.
Oh.
We don't need to lash it. As long as that's closed, we should be good. So then with those crumbs, we'll go up there and hit them down. Usually, like for this, if you guys just do a salt run, you can leave it off if it's not, you know, snowing or anything.
Okay.
But it's just when we're plowing and stuff.
Yeah.
Go ahead. It is slick out here. Didn't realize it was gonna rain, like missed a little bit, so that's what's causing the roads to be a little slick here. So it's a good thing we came out and get some training here. So you guys see here, Bob, you can actually use the plow to plow because it's pretty thick in there.
Okay.
Clean as much out as we can with the plow, and then we'll salt the whole property.
Okay.
Look at how thick that is. So he's gonna come in with the plow and get as much of this out as you can, or as he can, and then we'll salt, because that's a lot of salt to get that cleared. It's look at how much snow that is, you guys, there. Even though we got a dusting, it's a lot of snow. Look at that. So he's going around getting all the perimeter, what he can. So that way we don't have to dump so much salt on here. We could have overlap a little bit further this way, so that way we don't have this axis over here that we got to clean up again. So every time up here we get snow, the wind always blows it this way into the building, always. So always got to clean up something up here, even if we get a dusting. They'll have to come back up and clean these lines. We've had this account for, I don't know, 10, 11 years. We know this one by heart, what we've got to do. But for the new ones, it's a little harder, tougher. Now he can start scooping, I think. Yeah, so Ashley then have Bob back clean that out and have him, back drag all that and clean in there too.
Yep.
Back drag that out and just clean this like you normally clean it.
Yeah, I'll shovel all this out so then he can just back drag that out.
Okay. guys, it is getting slick out here, so Bob and Ashley's gonna finish this up, and I'm gonna go and get one of the other accounts here at the car wash. With this rain coming down on it, sleet coming down, it's just gonna freeze, and it's not gonna be good. Oh man, it's slippery. Ashley, you know how it's like we think it's not bad, but then when we actually go up, it's thicker than what it is. So you guys make sure that plan out like when I'm gone. If you need red, bring him in, you'll get it done. Help too. So that way you guys can be efficient, just like today. You know, you guys come up together. But if it's like this again, just have Bob bring up the skin and help. Alright guys, so I'm back here. Checking up on the done. Looks good. Salted it. Looks like salt's working. So overall, it looks pretty good, you guys. Oops. Looks pretty good. Looks good. Salt's on the ground, which is good. If we need to salt some more tomorrow, we'll salt, but yeah, this should do it.